Hi, my name is Loretta Coleman. I am pleased to introduce you to this property. Beautiful custom home with mountain views. Attractive red brick exterior, split floor plan, 3 bedrooms plus den, 2 bathrooms, fenced yard with patio and deck to enjoy the mountain views. All bedrooms are good size with spacious closets. Kitchen has eat and dining plus dining in the oversized great room. Double-sided fireplace. Central heat/cooling. Low maintenance aluminum siding. Close of escrow must be after October 30, 2021. Bonsai plants do not convey.